Do you know how much money an average person waste on skincare before they figure out what they're doing? And I'm not just talking about some random statistics I read online. I'm talking about myself. I used to be like that. I used to waste money on skincare and still I didn't even know what I was doing. I was just spending money, wasting a lot of money without me knowing my skin type. I didn't know my skin type. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just going out there, buying some things that some people could recommend to me, and also buying something that my favorite skincare influencer is promoting that week. My skincare shelves was very full and my wallet was really empty. And my skin was still breaking out. My skin was still dull. My skin was still going through the same thing over and over and over. And the worst part is, it wasn't because of the products. It wasn't because the products were bad. It was because I didn't know what I was doing and I was just there buying anything that the internet told me to buy. So if you've ever bought a product that promised you 7 days glass skin, and you look at yourself in the mirror and you are not seeing anything and you are wondering like, when is this going to work? Then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to start your skincare journey in a smart way so you don't have to waste money, you don't have to be confused, and also you do not need 10 steps skincare routine that will last 45 minutes to 1 hour. You just need the basics. You just need the basics and how to do them right. So stay with me because the first thing I'm going to tell you, most people completely get it backward. So before we dive into the video, let me introduce myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth and I make skincare content. I talk about what works, what's affordable, and what makes sense for our skin type and our lifestyle. So today we are going to talk about why most beginners fail at skincare. And it has nothing to do with the products they are using. And I'm also going to walk you through the only routine you need while starting out. And I promise you it's just 3 skincare products. And after that, I'll talk about the ingredients, just the basics, nothing scary. And I'm also going to talk about the money wasting. And I'll also talk about the mistakes you should avoid so you don't go through the same thing I went through as a beginner. So at the end of this video, you will know what to buy, what to skip, and how to actually take care of your skin without making it feel so complicated. That sounds good, right? So let's start. So here's the basic things nobody talk about. The reason why most beginners fail at skincare. Think about it this way. You get interested in skincare, you went to TikTok or YouTube or wherever and you're watching someone talk about skincare. You see them using many skincare like 12-step skincare with 4 to 10 serums. And you are sitting there like, okay, I need all of that. No, you do not need all of that as a beginner. All of these are good, but as a beginner, you do not need all of that. Like, you do not need all of that. Because when you pile on too many products, 2 things are going to happen. First of all, when you start breaking out, you will not know which one is causing it. You won't know if it's your serum or your essence or your face wash or your toner, nothing. You won't even know where the problem is coming out. So that is why you need to start with small. So let me tell you a story. I have a friend. Let's call her Amara. She came to me looking so completely defeated. She have tried different products she sees online. She has wasted her money, like wasted too much money on products. And she's still having the same problem over and over and over. Her face is getting worse. Her face is red, itchy, dull, breakouts. She wanted to quit skincare entirely. So I told her to take out all the whole skincare. You should just start with 3 steps, 3 products and see how that will go. And she did. And guess what? She came back looking so happy. Her face was so good, so glowing, and she recovered her face back. Things she would have recovered back many months ago. She recovered it back and she was so happy. So before I tell you what these 3 products are, let me tell you the most important rules as a beginner. The most important rules you need to know as a beginner in skincare. So as a beginner, these rules are: the less is more. Your skin needs to adjust. Start small, stick to it, and be consistent. Now, I'm going to tell you what these 3 products are. Now, this is the section I want you to screenshot, share with your friends, because this is the one I genuinely think you need to start from as a beginner. So the first step will be a gentle cleanser. So as a beginner, this is your foundation, a gentle cleanser. If you do nothing else to your skin, please, as a minimum, wash your face properly. Now, when I say a gentle cleanser, I don't mean a bar of soap, because those ones can be harsh. They can strip you of moisture. So you're going to use a gentle cleanser, wash your face properly, something that will be hydrating, or even for sensitive skin. Yes, gentle cleanser is okay. You don't need too much. You don't need a harsh one. You just need a gentle one. Even if your skin is not gentle, you still need the gentle one, because the gentle cleanser can go for every skin type. So the job of a cleanser is very simple. It is to remove dirt, excess oil, makeup, sunscreen, and also all the pollutions that you had during the day, and also the oils you accumulated during the night. And it is not supposed to fix all your skin issues. It's just supposed to clean it without damaging your skin. And a common mistake that most people make is overwashing their face. You don't need to overwash your face. Now, if you're washing your face like 4 to 5 times or 6 times, you're always washing your face all the time, thinking that you're going to get a clearer skin, you are not going to get that. Rather, you're going to get, if you have oily skin, your skin will be more oilier. And if you have dry skin, your skin will look drier, because you're stripping your skin off of moisture. So you don't need to overwash your face. Washing your face in the morning and at night is okay. Look for ingredients that has glycerin and aloe vera that will clean your skin properly and hydrate your skin without stripping off your skin. You don't need to spend a lot of money, because that's where most beginners go wrong with cleansing. That costs them a lot of money. So you don't need to spend a lot. Then the step 2 is going to be a moisturizer. I can't tell you how some people will always want to skip moisturizer, especially the oily skin. They feel like, my skin is oily, I don't need moisturizer, this, that, da, da, da. You need a moisturizer. Be it an oily skin or dry skin, whatever type of your skin, you still need a moisturizer. What you need to do is get a lightweight moisturizer as an oily skin. Then as a dry skin, get a hydrating moisturizer. You need a moisturizer in your routine. So a moisturizer's work is to lock in moisture to your skin and keep your skin hydrated and looking healthy. Now, the 3rd step is going to be sunscreen. That is one of the most important one, sunscreen. We all need sunscreen in our skincare routine. And the sun is the number one thing that causes dark spots. So if you don't wear sunscreen, it's going to make your dark spots worse. It's going to make your hyperpigmentation more. So you need sunscreen in your routine to also help in your dark spots and your hyperpigmentation and your dark skin and whatever skincare concern you are going through. You need a sunscreen. Alright, here's the part where skincare gets confusing most of the time, and which is the ingredients. Now, there are thousands of ingredients out there, and the internet would have had you believe that you need most of them in your skincare routine. And as a beginner, you don't need all of that. You don't need many of the ingredients. You're just going to need the basic ones. I'm going to recommend niacinamide if you have oily skin, large pores, dark spots, and it also does a lot of works. It does a lot of heavy lifting. So niacinamide is very good. It controls oil. It helps with your dark spots, your like all of that I mentioned. Niacinamide is very good as a beginner. This is one of the good ingredients that you need in your routine. And the second ingredient you will need is salicylic acid. And salicylic acid is for acne-prone skin. It gets inside of your pores to dissolve all the gunks in there that is causing breakouts, and also help to prevent new ones from forming. It is a BHA, which is beta hydroxy acid. So as a beginner, you need to start with a low percentage, like 0.5% to 1% or 2%. Even the niacinamide as well, as a beginner, also start with a low percentage, like 5% or 2%. Start with a low percentage so that your skin will get used to it. Then gradually you can now move to the higher percentage. The third ingredient I will be recommending will be vitamin C. Now, I know you've heard about this. It is a brightening ingredient that helps to fade dark spots, gives your skin that glow from within. It also has antioxidant properties, which means it helps to protect your skin from pollutions and also from the sun. Now, vitamin C can be a little unstable, also very irritating for sensitive skin, especially if the concentration is too high. So as a beginner, you need to start with a low concentration, like 10% to 15%. Now the fourth one is going to be hyaluronic acid. Now this one hydrates your skin and makes your skin plump. This is also very good for dry skin and also oily skin as well. Hyaluronic acid is this ingredient that everybody can use, any skin type. It is very mild on the skin and is very, very affordable. So now this is my advice for you. Do not try to use all of this at the same time. Okay, start with one. Like you can get one or start small. Don't try to use all of them at the same time. Pick the one that addresses your skin issue and start from there. Then get comfortable with that. Then only after that you can now start adding other ones gradually, maybe one after the other. Now, most people don't know this. Skincare is not about how many products you have. It's about how consistent you are with it. Now, let's talk about the money wasting part. This is a section that I want you to pay really close attention to, because people waste their money on this without even realizing it. Now, mistake number one is buying products because of the package or the price. Because expensive product doesn't really mean that that product is very effective. I've tried affordable products that really transformed my skin very well, and I've also tried expensive ones that really did nothing to my skin. I'm not saying that expensive products does not do anything, but what I'm trying to say is that a product is expensive does not mean that that one is the most effective one, because the ingredients are what matters the most. Before you buy a product, look at the ingredients very well to know if that is what you actually need. Now, the second mistake people make is switching products so fast. Now, this is one of the expensive mistakes we make. You buy a product, use it for like 5 days, throw that away, buy another one, do the same thing, and you throw it away, and you keep repeating the cycle all the time. And here's the thing. Most skincare products takes time to show results. So if any product is promising you 7 days results, that is not true. They are really lying to you. They're just trying to get your money, because good skincare will take like minimum of 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even a month, or even months for you to start seeing the results. Now, another mistake is ignoring your skin type. You need to know your skin type so that you can be able to recommend a good product for yourself. Not when you have oily skin, you go and be using a skincare meant for dry skin, it is going to make your skin worse. Or you have a dry skin using a skincare meant for oily skin, it is going to make your skin very worse. So you need to know your skin type. If you want me to make a video on how to know your skin type, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so you need to know your skin type first before you can talk about buying skincare products. Because if you know your skin type, it will be very easier for you to get skincare for yourself. Now let's talk about you building your routine. Now in the morning, you start with your gentle cleanser. Wash your face properly, go in with your moisturizer and then your sunscreen. Then at night, you wash your face also very properly. You also, if you wear makeup and sunscreen, which you really need to wear sunscreen, you need to double cleanse your face. You can now go in with your niacinamide, your treatments, then your moisturizer. Then that's all for your skincare routine. Very simple. So yes, let's bring all of this together. Starting a skincare doesn't have to be overwhelming. It doesn't have to cost a fortune. And it definitely doesn't have to require a 10 steps routine. And here's what I want you to remember. Start with 3 products: a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and your SPF. These 3 products alone will change your skin if you use them consistently. Then gradually, you can now add other things. Don't pile up everything at the same time so you don't get confused. Then learn your skin type so you buy good products that will work for you. Then also pick one active ingredient in your skincare routine. Don't pick plenty. Don't pick like 2 or 3 or 4. Pick one. It can be niacinamide or salicylic acid or vitamin C. Pick anyone. Just one. One is okay for you. So you don't need to be a skincare expert for your skin to look good. If this video helped you, leave a comment down below telling me your skin type, your skincare struggle, because I read every comment and your questions helps me to make more videos like this for you. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like, and I'll see you